Still wasting hours cutting long videos into shorts manually? That workflow is dead. Today, I'll show you an AI tool that can turn long-form videos into ready-to-post YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram Reels in minutes. No complicated editing, no painful timeline work, and no spending your entire evening hunting for the best moment. The tool is called FlexClip Long to Shorts, and honestly, this is the kind of automation content creators should already be using. You upload your long video, and the AI automatically analyzes it, finds engaging moments, and converts them into short-form clips. That means one video can suddenly become 10, 20, or even 30 pieces of content. That's not editing anymore. That's content scaling. The process is ridiculously simple. Just upload your long-form video into FlexClip. Once the upload finishes, the AI starts scanning the content automatically. And here's the important part. It doesn't just randomly chop your video into pieces. The system actually tries to detect moments with strong dialogue, interesting reactions, key information, or engaging speaking segments. Basically, it looks for moments people are less likely to scroll past. And in the short-form content world, retention is everything. After processing, FlexClip generates multiple shorts automatically. You can preview each clip one by one and pick the ones you like most. This is huge for creators because most people are sitting on unused content goldmines. That 20-minute tutorial? It probably contains 15 separate shorts. That podcast episode? Potentially 30 clips. That gaming stream? Probably unlimited chaos. Most creators are underutilizing their own content library. Now, let's talk about customization. You can edit captions, change text styles, add titles, and adjust the layout for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. FlexClip also gives AI-based scoring and recommendations for some clips. Now, obviously, AI cannot magically guarantee virality, but having AI identify stronger moments is still far better than randomly guessing what might perform well, especially if you're producing content at scale. Here's the bigger picture. Short-form content is no longer optional. Platforms are aggressively pushing Shorts, Reels, and TikToks because short videos keep users addicted to scrolling, which means creators who ignore short-form content are leaving massive reach on the table. And the smartest creators today are not creating more content. They're repurposing content more efficiently. That's the game now. So if you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, gamer, or tech creator, tools like FlexClip can save you a massive amount of time while multiplying your content output. Try it yourself and see how many shorts you can extract from your existing videos. And if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just talk about technology. We talk about using technology smarter.